Hi, this is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. Now you can do Facebook ad testing much cheaper and better. If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram advertising, please give me a like and subscribe and stay until the end. I have something free I want to give you. But let's jump into it. Before you had to do several ads to test with different audiences, different ad creatives, different images, different headlines, different descriptions and everything, and all that cost money. But there's now a new and better and cheaper way to do ad testing in your Facebook and Instagram ad account. So let me show you here. I'm in my own ad account, and I just made an example campaign. So it's on the ad set level that you see it. So let's go in here, and it's when you scroll down, it's this dynamic creative. Its default is off. I just turned it on because I want to show you this. So you can turn this on, and what it does, you can add different elements. You can add different creatives, different images, different videos, different headlines, different descriptions, and then you use Facebook's algorithm to test it. Then Facebook will combine all the elements that you give it, and it will show what it knows that the single person, it's going to be optimized individually to all the millions of people that it's going to be shown to. So it's really powerful. So it says provide creative elements such as images and headlines, and will automatically generate combinations optimized for your audience. Variations may include different formats, templates, and audio based on one or more elements. So it's really powerful. So that is it for. Then the rest of the customization is taking place in on the ad level. So let's go there. And here, when you scroll down, here when you go to Ad Creative, then you can select different images, several images, several videos, or you can create a video. I selected some just some random images I had on my ad account. They're not supposed to be good or anything, just as examples. Move this down. But what you can do is you can also edit each individual image or video. So when you click on it, you can edit it in here. So I'll just go out of that. So I selected some images, and then you go down to the text. Then you can add different primary text. So let me get rid of those I already added, just to show you. Here, when you click on the primary text, then it shows all the previous ones that you used before. You can add those, or you can just write a new one. But it's very easy. You can add all the previous ones if you want to use those. But like I said, you can also just add a new one and write it here. And the same with headlines. When you click on that, you can add all the previous headlines that you've been using. Or you can just write a new headlines, as many as you want. And also for the description, same thing. Add previous ones or use the ones that you used previously. And then Facebook will take out all that information, all the different images and all the different headlines and descriptions, and combine it and optimize it for each single person. And what I want to show you also, it's optimized for each. It says here optimize creative for each person. You can turn that on also, like I said. It says vary your ad creative and destination based on each person's likelihood to respond. Let's see the different optimizations. This option includes the following possible optimizations. That's what Facebook does automatically. You don't have to do anything. Applying a set of standard enhancements to optimize your ad creative. Applying minor image enhancements to thumbnails or images. Expanding an image by filling the background with matching colors or patterns. Applying a template to your creative elements for stories and feed. Creating a story carousel ad based on a single image or headline or product catalog information. Playback speed for videos with sound. Adding motion to suggest depth in images or call attention to text. Creating videos from images. For videos longer than 30 seconds, showing user a short clip from any part of the video to build interest before playing the full video. That's very powerful to catch people's attention. Selecting songs based on your ads content to accompany your ad when applicable. That is also genius. You don't even have to do it. Maybe later on you have the option to do it, but right now we don't have the option to do that. Selecting and highlighting key phrases or sentences from the text you provide. Adding related emojis even to your text. Optimizing your ad destination between your website and your shop on Facebook and Instagram. Showing Instagram users a few comments about your product or business that may be relevant to them. That is also very powerful. Let's hope they show positive comments. Probably they will. This is this is great. This is so great to do testing. You still have to do interest testing though. So if you want to test different interest groups, you still have to create that yourself. But otherwise, the testing with different images and headlines and descriptions, all that can be taken care of automatically by Facebook's powerful algorithm. So I would definitely go on and test it because it works really well. So yeah, comment below if you have any questions. Let me know what your experiences has been, if you have tried it. And if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. And the free thing I want to give you is a free Facebook ad template for coaches and consultants. So if you run your own Facebook ads, then you can follow that. It's completely free. There's a link in the description. You can go and download it. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, and Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. And don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care. Bye.